Hey everyone, tired of messy group chats, lost emails, and chaotic team updates? Today I'm showing you a direct, clean path to deploy the ultimate Slack desktop app on your PC completely free. Let's get your team's communication organized right now. Let's hit that download link on our website right now to secure the installer package. The moment you open the file, the deployment sequence swings into action, pulling down the latest communication frameworks and interface assets straight to your drive. The baseline application layer is locked in. Now, let the Active Configuration Wizard finish linking the background workspace protocols and notification systems. It's a swift step that wraps up in a literal blink. Let's fire up the application for the very first time to check our brand new control room. We are launching a test workspace just to verify that the sidebar channels, direct messages, and text threads respond instantly with zero lag. The entire collaboration ecosystem is calibrated, verified, and completely ready to run your business projects with zero restrictions. Head over to our webpage right now to grab your installer package and start leading your team like a boss.